Good morning, friends. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to combine or put together our calendar math time and our phonics, okay? Because today we start a brand new month, all right? Yesterday it was still March. Yesterday was the last day of March, March 31st. Does anyone know what the new month is? Our new month today is April. It is April now. So before we get to our calendar math, we're going to go through our months of the year. And we are going to go through all of them. And when we get to April, I'm going to point up here because I've already got it on our calendar. And then we're going to go back and we're going to say the first sounds in each month. Okay? So let's start saying our month. What's the first month? January. February, March. That's the one we just finished, right? And after March is April. After April is, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Those are all of the months of the year. All right, friends, now we're going to go back through our months of the year, and we're going to say the month, and then we're going to say the first sound that we hear in the name of the month, okay? So our first month is January. What's the first sound you hear in January? J is the first sound in January. Let's do the next one. February. What's the first sound in February? F is the first sound in February. What about March? Is the first sound in March. Okay. Now we have April up here. What's the first sound you hear in April? A is the first sound in April. Good job. Okay. The next one is May. What's the first sound in May? Is the first sound in May. Next we have June. J is the first sound in June. What about July? J is the first sound in July. What about August? Ah is the first sound we hear in August. Next we have September. S is the first sound in September. October. Ah is the first sound in October. November. Is the first sound in November. Last month, friends, December. The first sound in December is D. All right, good job, friends. All right, here we go. Now we're going to get to our days of the month. But we don't have to count very far, do we? Because today is Wednesday, April 1st. So today we only have a 1. So how do we draw a 1 in our tally marks? We just need one little stick, don't we? Okay. For our tens frame, we only have one lonely dot. So if we only have one dot in one tens frame, do we have any full tens frames? We don't today, do we? Because we're starting over with a new month. So when we draw 1, we just need one small square. Okay? Let's talk about our days of the week. What is today? Today is Wednesday. All right, friends. Let's pull some phonics in here. I want you to say the word Wednesday, What's the first sound you hear in Wednesday? W is the first sound in Wednesday. Good job. All right, yesterday is the day before today. So yesterday was Tuesday. What's the first sound you hear in Tuesday? T is the first sound you hear in Tuesday, huh? All right, tomorrow is the day after today. Tomorrow is Thursday. All right, friends, what's the first sound you hear in Thursday? Th is the first sound in Thursday, right? Good job. All right, since today is April 1st and we've been counting to 1 today, I'm going to introduce a couple more things. All right, we know that this is a 1, but when we say that it's April 1st, this is what it looks like. We can say it's the 1st, and this is what the word looks like for first. How many of you like to be first in line? If you're first in line, that means you are the number 1 person at the front of the line. Okay, so let's say the first sound that we hear in first. What's the first sound? Is the first sound. Good job. All right, and we are also going to introduce today, this is the number 1, and this is the word. This is what the word 1 looks like. Now, it's a little bit tricky because this has an O right here, and O's usually say ah, but I just want you to listen to the sound. Watch my mouth when I say 1. 1. What's the first sound you hear in 1? The first sound in 1 is W. W. Now, if I write out the word, what's the first letter in 1? It's an O, right? Good job. All right, so if you see it this way, how do we say that? We say this as first, okay? And then when we're talking about the number, this is what the word looks like. What is this word? 1. Very good, friends. So that is our lesson for today for calendar, math, and phonics. We went ahead and put those together today because we had lots of opportunities to practice new things. All right, friends. So today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, and Miss L will see you again tomorrow for calendar, math, and phonics. Have a great day.